Hello students, this is my second video on Indian weavers. Let me tell you the message, symbolism, imagery, figures of speech of this poem. Now what is the message? Change is an inevitable fact of life. The colors of life change according to time. The transition from one to next is equally important to complete the cycle of birth and death. What is symbolism? The poetess has used symbolism by using the word morning, evening, and night. Morning represents childhood, evening for youth, and night for old age. The title, Indian Weavers, here the poetess means to say that Almighty is the weaver. Imagery are words which create image in the mind of the reader. The color imagery used in this poem is blue, purple, green, and white. Let us look at the figures of speech. Simile. Blue as the wing of a halcyon wild. The blue color is compared to the wings of halcyon bird. Like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green. The garments are compared to soft feathers of peacock, which are purple and green. White as feather and white as cloud. The white dress is compared to white feather and white cloud. Metaphor. At break of day, the beginning of day is compared to beginning of life. At fall of night, dusk is compared to youth. Moonlight chill. The cold night is compared to end of life. Alliteration. Weavers weaving. Why do you weave? We weave. In all these three examples, we can make out that the sound W has been repeated. The consonant sound of W has been repeated. Though I have written the letter W, but the sound is W. Repetition. These words have been repeated in the poem like weavers weave. Why do you weave? We weave. The next one is very important. This is the table wherein just you get the summary of the whole poem once again. So accordingly, I have written about the stanza, time, color, made for whom, type of dress and compared to. First stanza, time is morning, color is blue, made for newborn child, type of dress is robe, compared to halcyon bird's wings. Second stanza, the time is evening, colors is green and purple, made for queen or bride, type of dress is V, compared to peacock's feather. Third stanza, the time is fall of night, color is white, made for dead man, type of dress is shroud and compared to cloud and white feather. Students, I hope you have understood the poem and figures of speech also. Now for the summary and critical appreciation of the poem, you can visit my website where you will get the notes typed. Thank you students.